come to school.
Baby, you know I need to make my nails, my Peruvian nails.
If I have money, I will give you. My friends that are owing me, they are much. My money is outside plenty. Hey Jay.
What's up now?
I did. How your side?
Oh, my side fresh.
I did somewhere this.
That money what they now make I, make I help you. The money time for me, I give you.
Jesus is Lord.
Yeah, big.
Okay, now no wahala, my guy. Okay. All right.
I got it. Thank you.
Baby, this is only 10,000 naira now. It's not reach me.
I give you back.
I'll bury my guy. I'll bury.
Esmo.
Are you there now?
You are your block industry.
I'll bury my guy. And you know, say I won't travel. I won't go my village since I never see my family. I can say as I don't get much change that money will give me that way help me. I won't call return for you. Where can I just give before I travel?
No, leave and break our next week.
No. I know they lie how people money. And 15,000 where you give me.
I hear me.
I'll bury you with your woman there. I'll bury.
My African girl with a big booty wine. You wear you
25,000 is not enough.
Barry, Afa, let me see my give you the 200 here. So baby, I'll be leaving us. So maybe when I make my hair, I'll come and show it to you. Okay, hug me.
Abade. See, you know say last week you give me one game. The game enter. I remember now you give me the same 15 naira when I take player. I win 250,000 naira. Abade, no, I only they tell you say I be good person. I know they forget who helped me. So I've made up my mind
now, why
that
my
I should
friend?
come and give you the 15 naira that you gave to me when I take play that game.
Jesus is Lord.
Thank you for saving me.
Thank you, my love. School too.
Yo, it's a girl just love to laugh. Keep watching School 2 and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram, School 2 Comedy.